Hello friends, welcome to my channel and I hope everyone is doing well today. So this is round 35 of Star Hearts and Pineapples tablecloth, and an important note is that on this round, starting on this round, I am using a double crochet and my fingers are so used to doing triple crochet that it is doing it out of reflex, so I have to really focus on what my hands are doing at this time. So I thought I'd say that so that you will not do the same mistake I'm doing. And so anyway, so let's begin. So we slip a stitch on the next stitch and do this, repeat these instructions 3 times. So that was 1, this is the second, this is the third, then single crochet into the space and mark this space as the beginning, single crochet of the round to which the ending slippy stitch is going to be hooked on. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and double crochet, 2 double crochet on top of the shell, chain 2 and 2 double crochet on the same space to finish the shell. So 1 shell is made, then chain 2, 1, 2, and double crochet on next, triple crochet, repeat the instructions twice. So this 1, this is the second, then chain 2, 1, 2, and double crochet, chain 1, double crochet on the next TR or triple crochet. So 1 V-stitch is made, then chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet and do the instruction twice. So that's 1, chain 1, double crochet, this is the second, then chain 1 and make a V-stitch on the next triple crochet. And V-stitch, we just do this, DC, chain 1, DC. Then chain 1 double crochet on next stitch, repeat twice. So that's 1, chain 1, double crochet, this is the second, chain 1 and V stitch on the next triple crochet. So we just completed a fan that is made up of 10 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and double crochet on the next triple crochet. Repeat the instruction twice. That was 1, this is the second. And chain 2, 1, 2, and shell on top of the shell. And we are just doing this instruction right here. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the pineapple loop. So this single crochet here is the beginning of the repeating stitch. So I'm gonna mark this. So I'm gonna repeat one more set of stitches. So chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then shell on next shell. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and DC on XTR, and repeat these instructions twice. So that's 1, DC on XTR, so that's the second. Then chain 2, and then V on the next triple crochet. Chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet, that's 1. Chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet, that's 2. Chain 1, then make a V on the next triple crochet. Then chain 1 and double crochet. That's 1. We repeat the instruction twice, so chain 1, double crochet. This is the second. Chain 1, then make a V on the next triple crochet. And another fan is made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then chain 2, 1, 2. Then double crochet on next triple crochet. Repeat twice, so that's 1. Double crochet on next triple crochet, and that's the second. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and shell on next shell. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the end of the repeating set of stitches. And I'm going to put a mark there. So you will repeat starting from the single crochet on top of the pineapple loop and ends on the chain 5 after the shell. So repeat from here to here, all around. at the end of this round, after the chain 5, after the shell, and you just slip stitch on the mark stitch, and that's the end of round 35. So the pineapple, the first pineapple design is finished, and we're starting another one. We already made the base of the pineapples. This fan is how the pineapple design start. So it's very good. We come this far already. Thank you for watching. Vita, my puppy, loves my work and she wants to use it as her bed. But thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.